That's my only concern right there. And then it doesn't line up with him. Hmm. Hey, yo, what's up? Hey, what's up, Albert? Yeah. Hmm. Honestly, I really don't even know. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. 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 I just hate the fact that now I gotta try to look for 144 ticks on silver. I just hate that. I hate that. I hate it. I don't know what's up with Nasdaq, or I don't know what's up with the Nasdaq, man. But yeah, I don't know what's up with the Nasdaq. Hmm. As y'all guys recall, this morning. Hold on, give me a sec. Anyway, yeah. So as y'all guys recall, as we ended or when I had to end the stream a little bit early tonight or this morning, I shorted the Nasdaq twice this morning. I shorted it twice, and I said, you know what, that's fine, whatever. Uh, and then I come back to my charts and look at it and see that not only did the Nasdaq super short, it's super short. It's like it takes out this low. I'm like, yo, what the hell? Mind you, I really don't. I really don't know. The Nasdaq found a way to stop me out short twice before actually making this big move down. I, I don't know. I don't know. I was kind of scratching my head, and then she managed to do the same thing tonight. Uh, I get in at I get in at I mean, it's not the best entry or nothing. It's not the best entry. I thought, the market was gonna go, but then the market actually pulls back just enough to stop me out, and then it makes this move right here. I don't know, man. When I find myself in situations like this, it's kind of it's a cognitive dissonance because it's like, well, I mean, I kind of know that like if I'm chasing the market, I just don't understand like when I chase the market, why it always finds a way to pull back just enough to stop me out. I don't know why. But then when I don't chase the market just tends to run. When I get in positions, I get into the laggy, choppy positions that take forever to hit my target. And then the ones that I don't take, those seem to be the ones that run. I don't know. Am I doing this to myself? One of the positions that I was talking about is actually on gold. I was identifying areas on the chart for gold tonight, so I can actually come back in the next section and take a trade. And this is actually where I was looking to take a trade at. Right there. Tell me why the one time I don't come in front of my damn chart thinking that, all right, the market's going to be slow tonight. Let me just give it some time. Let me get some work done. And then I'll come back and look at the charts and we'll move from there. Man, the market opens up, hits my level. I would have been in 3 points of drawdown, and then it runs to my target. I'm like, dude, I mean, what's up with that? What is up with that? I was in a gold position yesterday. You know how long that shit took to hit my damn target? It was playing with me too. Where was that? And shit almost came back and stopped me out. I was like in almost 4 points, 3.6 points in drawdown before it actually went in my direction. Yeah, I think it was this right here. Yeah. No, it was like 54 or something like that. It was 54. And I remember I was like in the pre-market with it or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, I got in at like 54.9. Yeah. 54.9. And then it almost comes back and stops me out. And then it hits my target. You see how it chopped before it hit my target? Versus today, the one that I didn't take, and it just runs to it. Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah. 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 Yeah, Alfred, that's kind of crazy, man. I talk. I mean, it was originally Tradeovate that had all these issues. Top Step X was supposed to be the solution to Tradeovate, but now they're best friends. Did we just become best friends? Hell yeah, we did. Tradeovate and Top Step X. But Top Step X has gotten a lot better though. I just hate the fact that now. I mean, I just hate it, man. I really do. Just hate it. Yeah, dude, that shit was, yeah. So actually, I missed two good setups on gold tonight. This setup up here, and then this setup down here. Missed really two good setups. Our boy Smith tried to get 100 points on the ES today. I was like, bro, you are not about to get 100 points on the ES. And not without no bullshit. I mean, this is probably, I mean, this was more than 100 points. Actually, this is 711. 711. 69. Yeah, I mean, shit, this wasn't even 100 points. This move down wasn't even 100 points. I was like, dude, you're crazy if you think you're about to get 100 points on the ES in one session. That is unheard of. I mean, you can probably, I mean, you can get lucky and get that, but it's not the norm or nothing. What do you mean by the golden sherm? You talking about trading gold? Dude, I don't know, man. It just seems like all these instruments right now are just pissing me off. They're not doing what I want them to do. Not doing what I want them to do. Oh, you're talking about trading ES? If you're talking about trading ES, hell no. I would not trade this slop. Shout out to anybody that can make money on the ES consistently. Shout out. But I'm definitely not trading this slop, man. It's just crazy. Shout out to all the risk managers that can be profitable on ES because like right here, like this is interesting. Well, okay, well maybe it's just a pullback to that low. Yeah, and then that's like a continuation right there. Yeah, it's probably like a continuation. And then yeah, balance. Okay. Yeah, it just pulled all the way back, and then we're seeing the market bounce. Mm. Yeah, unfortunately, that's true. Unfortunately, that is true, man. Top step. Top step. Top step. Top step. Top step. Top step. I mean, shit. Now they made it to the point to where now, why would you even go? Why would you be in a live account now? It's a low. Like, why would you do that? K Trader sent me a video today, and I watched it, and from what I understand from it, they're taking away profits, and you have to earn your profits back, which is insane, if I understand it correctly. Hopefully, Alfred, I'm just seeing your message. Hopefully everything is okay. Hopefully everything is okay. Well, yeah, well, yeah. Oof. And shit, trading gold is just not. It's not even worth it, honestly. Damn, trade day did it too. Gold, I mean, if you have a small account, like a 50K, gold is good. Gold is really good on a 50K account, but if you can't trade minis, then it's just not. It's not even worth it. And dude, it's so crazy that they're just doing it now. It doesn't even make sense to do it now. The metals has calmed down significantly. It doesn't make sense unless unless there's something that we don't understand that's going on. I mean, when it's that close, yeah. I mean, it just seems like every instrument that I want to trade has its issues. Like silver is going back to moving slow. Gold, she's in love with missing your targets. But like, dude, it doesn't matter how much. I don't know, man. She's just so consistent. I started going for 108 ticks instead of the 90 ticks. She'll blow past the 90 ticks and then stop at the 188 ticks. And then now I'm going for 135 ticks. And then she does the same thing with that. It's like, well, shit, man. You just hit my target? That'll be nice, you know? Just hit my damn target. It just seems like that's just my consistent issue with the market. No matter what market I trade, it just seems like I can get really good entries. It's just that it plays around with my freaking exits. Or if it misses my damn entry, it'll run to my target. I stopped playing with me. And I just hate, well, the one thing that I hate the most is that when the market makes a move and I'm not in it. I just hate that. I'm like, dude, I'm looking at this chart looking for safe areas to trade, and then out of nowhere the market just kind of bounced, and it's like, well, why did it do that, you know? I mean, right here, I mean, on the Nasdaq, I mean, you got the double bottom right here. Kind of sucks. It had to come back and stop me out. Bastard. I should be in this trade right now. Actually, I should be taking profits. Let me see. I should be taking profits on this, yeah. Yeah, I should be taking profits on that. Like right there. Well, shit, hope, I mean, well. Okay. I guess I should just look at the Nasdaq. When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq, 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 Nasdaq. When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq. Get pussy without head, then you lame. I don't know. I need a break, bro. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's crazy that it just continues to do that. I know this thing will probably shoot up. Oh yeah, so yeah, I think we already talked about this, but I think all the firms might be doing it, man. Cause I know I can't trade the minis on. Well, I can't trade silver on this. They're not allowing silver on the futures desk. I know that for sure. Yeah, they blocked the minis on this too. So I mean, honestly, I mean, but what's the point of blocking the minis when? Well, I guess. Well, I mean, you can only trade one contract on here. I don't know why that doesn't make sense. I can. They'll let me trade 10 micros. I mean, I don't make no damn sense. But they won't let me save on commissions and trade a mini. I guess it's the commissions, but I mean, or not the commissions, the margin requirements. Supposedly. Okay. Mm. I'm against that. I ain't taking shit back. Mm. 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 Man, this thing's gonna probably either go for 140, 144 ticks. Mm. Mm. Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Either I want to get long right here, or I want to take a short right there. That's where I want to participate in this market right now. Yeah, that's definitely true, dude. Like, man, trading silver now is like a drag, and it's like, dude, do something. You say you're targeting, you say you're long 50, 78, or 78.9, and you're targeting 123. Let's look at that. 123. Oh wow, that's a hold. Hmm. Mm. That is a big boy trade on gold. 123, huh? Are you looking to take your whole position off at 123? Or do you have certain areas where you'll trim your position? So you'll trim some at 501? Yeah, that's a good area to trim some off. Oh shit. Wow, okay. And just like that, huh? And this thing is really only allowing me to trade one freaking only get to trade one contract, man. That sucks. That sucks. Okay. I guess we'll see what happens here. I guess we'll see what happens. Man, this just sucks, man. I hate this. I hate it. I hate it. One contract, man. I hate it. You're at 5 micros right now? Yeah. Yeah, I agree with that. 101, I was actually looking at that too. There was actually another area that I was probably considering shorting on gold if given the opportunity. Let me see, because I got it marked on my chart somewhere. Let me find it. Or did I move it? Yeah, I must have moved it. I must have moved it. I should have got in at I mean, I guess I wasn't really paying attention to gold, and I should have. But if given the opportunity, I was looking to trade at like somewhere around like 106, 105, 106. Yeah. Mm. Okay. All right. Yeah. Mm. You know, I guess what I could do here. I guess what I could do. Could just do that. Could just do that and give myself like 2 trades. I can take 2 trades on the account since I'm forced to take a 1 contract position. So instead of just doing the full $54 ticks, I can still do the 27 ticks. But it means I still have to go for like I gotta still go for a bigger target, which I kind of hate. Kind of hate that, but I guess at least I give myself 2 trades, I guess. Okay. So my old target would be, so right there at that, so 315 is where my target would be at, 315. So let's see. 315. This would be my target right here. Yeah. I'm not trading that stupid biatch. She hurt my feelings this morning. And then she turned around and hurt my feelings again this evening. She did the same old shit. I mean, the Nasdaq is just really good at stopping you out if you're trading in the right direction. I mean, it's just crazy that it happens that way, you know? It's just crazy. I mean, I can understand it stopped me out the first time, but it stopped me out on the follow-up short. And then after I get liquidated out of the position and I leave the screen, it begins to trade lower. I guess the Nasdaq is I haven't properly given you the welcome back tour. Welcome back. Mm. Mm. I mean, the market is kind of bullish right now. I mean, it just sucks that this worked. That, I mean, if I was in my normal position, I mean, I haven't gotten a target hit yet, but I mean, it's highly likely to hit this thing. We'll see. Let's see. I mean, and if it stops me out, then I'll just come back tomorrow. I'll lock out until tomorrow. Well, the trader shop, I'm looking at gold right now. It looks like it swiped those equal highs at 50.93. Looks like it swiped those highs on gold. And we're seeing a rejection somewhat. Those equal highs right there at 93. So yeah, shit, we definitely need or at least the bulls definitely need a full breakout out of this those equal highs right there. Excuse me. We're starting to see some selling coming in, but you already know that shit don't mean nothing. These bears suck. I mean, these bears ain't about that shit. I mean, that's a good mindset to have, man. Stop is already in profit. It's gonna do what it needs to do, huh? Yeah, that's one of my limiters right there. Stops in profit. I ain't gonna ever do that. Honestly, I just can't. Well, I can't bring myself to do it. I mean, it's a really good idea. I mean, it's a risk-free trade. I just hate the fact that, price has a very how do I want to say this? The market is very good at finding your break even, tapping it a couple of times to make sure your stop is not in profit and then going without you. That is always my biggest concern. If I move my stop in profit. That's not even worth it. Yeah, somewhat, right, Kit? Because for the most part, all my trades are going to be at what I perceive to be support or resistance. So it's highly likely that it will do that. I mean, I don't take any trades outside of that. Well, I gotta stop saying that because that's not even true. For the most part, my trades are at support or resistance. My tilt trades are whatever price is at while I'm in tilt. But yeah, for the most part, support and resistance. I mean, it would be kind of nice for it to speed up a little bit. Just a little bit gain weight. Like this is some old lady shit right here, man. This is slow, dude. This is slow. This is slow. Well, how do you determine your entries on YM, the trader shop? Because like I said, I think, I don't know, man. I feel like YM gives you one good setup And if you're not a part of it, you'll miss out. So you study the 9:30 open? You said if the 9:30 trades down, you get long, and then I guess it's vice versa. Mm. So you just basically fade that move, is what you're saying. Yeah, yeah. Mm. Well, I guess I'm gonna leave this. As long as I'm in the trade, I mean, I'm gonna just let this thing run overnight. As long as I'm in it, and I can find a. I mean, I guess with this one contract strategy now, uh, I mean, it puts me in a position where I have to kind of be. I can take 2 trades now, which. Mm, yeah, I can take 2 trades. Mm. I hate that, man. I just want my base hit. Like, well, if I was in 2 contracts right now, I would just hate the fact that it's just hovering above my take profit. It's just hovering above it. What I need to start practicing and kind of taking a page from what you said, the trader shop. This evening, I was kind of already thinking about that, and it's just interesting that you said it. I'm not talking about putting my stop in the profits, but just letting the trade just play out and not really, pay attention to it or consider it. Like place my limit, come back and see what happens. And, if it stops me out, it stops me out. If if I'm profitable, obviously I'm a happy person, but just gonna start doing that instead of just overthinking it. And because I feel like when you overthink it, it just uses up energy, and it just kind of it makes me invest more in the trade, like because it has to work versus like, okay, I just took the trade, this time the setup didn't work out, or the market didn't go far enough to hit my target, et cetera, et cetera. So it's like, well, if I kind of just get into the mindset, just let the market play out, I won't be as emotionally invested in the position. Oh man, top step, bastards, right there. Hit that target, baby. It's like, cause every time, like when I start thinking, like last night, hit that target, baby, hit that target. Oh man, seriously? So, oh wow. Anyway, like last night on the MNQ, I moved my target up because if y'all guys recall, I had my target originally at where did I originally have my entry? Yeah, I originally had my entry to go short at 45, and then I move it up to 55 because I was like, well, it could see a rejection, but then it could still pop up. And 45, like my initial thesis was correct, and it didn't even come back and hit my original target until the next session or until later on. Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn, gold. I'm looking at gold right now, just dumping. But our boy, the trader shop says he's protected himself. So yeah, so like right here, man. Where was it at? Yeah, 345. 345. The rejection at 345. Oh no, where the hell? Oh, I was on the wrong session. I was like, dude, where the hell is it at? It would have been nice if silver got that same drop like gold just did. It would be freaking nice, but yeah, I would have got my target filled. It already showed me that if I had two contracts, this account would have been locked out for the night. But now I have to go for, some extra freaking ticks in the position. And I hate that. But anyway, so yeah, 345 perfectly, man. So my initial thesis was correct. And I moved it up because I figured that, well, there is this range right here. It can easily continue and pop up and hit that. So I moved it up. And I don't know. I mean, that kind of bothered me when I came back the next when I woke up and saw that, it's super worked out. And I'm like, well, shit. Well, why did I change it? Like, why did I convince myself to change? Well, you see how I bounced perfectly at my target right there? Nice. Fills the target. So this account would have been up $720 right now. Little to no drawdown. Only took 16 ticks of drawdown. And it would have hit my target. But now I have to go for this target to get the same amount of money. We'll see what happens. Yeah. 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 I feel like silver just doing this shit just as I do. Silver, do what gold is doing. Drop. Do what gold is doing. Yeah, honestly, I was actually looking at where was I looking at for gold to potentially pop at. Let me look at this chart again because I was looking at gold. I saw that gold bounced at like an old area of support. That's where we got that bounce from. Let me see. Am I looking at the right one? Yeah, I mean, gold could potentially. Oh, that's Nasdaq. I was like, dude, what the hell? Actually, let me put Nasdaq over here because I already know that that's going to get in the way. Okay. All right, gold. Yeah, gold could potentially go to like 56. Yeah, we can potentially see like gold go to like 50 or something like that. 50. I guess silver is just going to be nasty here. Gold is dumping and silver is trying to pump. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, okay, so that's what happened. So it looks like silver is trying to balance at this range, and it'll probably will do it. Okay, all right. I just hate that, man. I hate it. Top step. Hate that, man. Yeah, so it balanced at the 50% of this range. Mm. Well, Redkit, you see right there? And that should answer your question. Do I think that the market will come back and double top at my entry? Yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I believe that wholeheartedly. Yes, I do. Hmm. It's okay, man. Well, I guess I have one more trade at least tomorrow. I mean, if this thing does come back and stop me out, I have one more trade. I mean, I wouldn't. Oh man, I wouldn't have to even worry about the one more trade. I would have been done. Fuck. Ah. Fuck. Fuck. Ugh. Mm. Fuck. It's crazy. You was trying to go long. I was trying to go short. We should have just switched instruments. You should have just took silver, and I should have just took gold. We would have both got what we wanted tonight. Some money in our accounts. My God, man. And sure enough, gold win the 144 ticks that I needed. But gold dropped like 20 points from the highs. Mm. But on one contract on gold, that shit is absolutely not even worth my time. Oh, that's not worth my time. uh, 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 man. Hey, Alfred, you gotta stop speaking French to me, dude. I don't know what that means. Well, mm, mm, mm. Dude, I don't know, man. I'm in this dilemma now. Just in this dilemma. I guess I should have just took the trade on on the um on the futures desk account. Just in this dilemma, man. It just seems like no matter where the hell I go, I just can't be happy. I was happy taking Top Steps money with my 2 silver contract strategy. And then they had the nerve to take that away from me. Like, what's up with that? It's like Sherman's making too much money. He's making too much money. Mm. I don't accept anything less than what I want. I don't compromise. Mm. Mm. Hmm. Hmm. Don't tell me, man. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. So, mm, okay. I guess I'll see you tomorrow morning. But I'm not gonna, dude, I'm not gonna get in the habit of trading 54 ticks. Like that's insane. That's insane. That's literally insane. That's insane. I think my target was like somewhere down here or something like that. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. 955. All right, that would be my target right there. This was my like, dude, this is that's so crazy, man. I would have got my target filled right there, man. That's just so crazy. But give me a second. Hold on. You know. Mm. 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 Man, I gotta figure something out. I don't, dude. I don't want to. Man, I don't know. I don't know. Dude, I don't know. I don't know. Dude, I don't want to go. I don't want to go back in an evo. I don't want to go back in an evo. I don't want to go back in an evo. I just wish that Top Step left my strategy alone. Divorce papers, huh? I mean, Alfred. Wow, man. I don't want to wake up tomorrow and see that silver stop me out. And then it goes to my fucking target, dude. That's What's up with that? What's up with that? What is up with that, man? Hmm. I appreciate that, John. You said stop trading them like I did. What are you talking about with that one? He said, no, I don't. Actually, it's crazy that you brought up trading with Matt. 10 points on the NQ is insane. Complete waste of time. I guess unless you're full porting like 15 minis or some shit like that. But that is insane. Insane. I was telling Alfred and I was trading telling Smith, I was like, dude, if I see somebody taking a 10-point base hit on the NQ, my initial thought is that the Nasdaq broke you down to that point. There is no reason to ever take 10 points on the Nasdaq. That's not even a base hit. That's a scalp. That's not a base hit. That's like, what, 10 points? It breathes 10 points. A candle can be 10 points. That is not no base hit. That's like a scalp. Yeah, so I don't watch him trade. So yeah, honestly, if my opinion is if you can't get 10 points on the Nasdaq easily, yeah, you don't know what you're doing, or you don't have a full understanding of what's going on, because 10 points on the Nasdaq is easy. It's too easy. Too easy. It's not even a challenge. You have what, 8 hours in a session? And those 8 hours, all you're looking for is 10 points? When the Nasdaq can literally move what, 100 points plus? Yeah. I mean, I'm not knocking anybody's trading strategy. I'm not. But just me personally, it's just something that it would just be a waste of my time. And honestly, I wouldn't be able to accept a 10-point, getting 10 points every day, because obviously that greed would kick in and be like, dude, what the hell are you doing? Shit, the market moved 10 million points and all you took was 10 cents? Get back in there. I wouldn't be able to go on with the rest of my day. Man, if silver hits my damn target, man, me and this bitch gonna fight, man. I better not wake up tomorrow and see this thing hit my target. Yeah, like I said, K-Trade, I'm not knocking nobody's strategy. It's just a waste of time. I'm not coming into the market to make 10 points. Unless I'm full porting 15 minis, then okay, yeah. I think I would have made enough money to be satisfied, I guess. 15 minis. Yeah. And that's what K-Trade, I was wondering why you don't, well, no, never mind. I'm not gonna say that. And I guess. I guess. You know, I mean, I guess, man. I guess. I guess if you want to play the mental gymnastics with your mind, I guess. You know, honestly, I mean, I understand technically, yeah, you know, that works. I get it, technically. But to me, if I'm in a room full of traders and everybody's talking about their P&L, and I said, yeah, I'm copy trading 220 accounts and I'm making $2,000 a day. It's like, how are you doing that? Oh yeah, I'm copy trading 20 accounts and only getting like 5 or 10 points and making 2K a day. Okay. All right, guy. All right, guy. I mean, if I'm amongst my peers and that's what I'm talking about, I mean, I guess. I mean, that's not impressive to me. It's not impressive. I mean, I'm sorry, it's not impressive. I don't care how many accounts you copy trading. It's just not impressive. I mean, I think anybody can do that, right? If I get 20 accounts and copy trade them and only go for small base hits, and I mean, will y'all guys be impressed with that? I'm not saying that's the reason why I would trade, but I mean, what's impressive about that? I mean, is there something that you can learn from me? Is there something that, you know, I can help you out with? I don't know. It's just not for me. 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 I'm just not impressed by that. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah. But like I said, no disrespect. I mean, I'm not a person that cares about how other people trade. I don't care. Yeah, I'm not shitting on him. I don't even know him. I'm just talking about the fact that for me personally, I just can't go for 10 points. All right, so I think Silver's gonna sit here and piss me off. I think I'm gonna wake up tomorrow, and if I left my position alone, I wonder what that was about. I really wonder what that whole thing, like, what was that about? What the hell was that about? You don't want to see Sherm win today? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. 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 Silver. Why, you bitch? Why? Why? No. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Oh my God. Don't do it. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. No. Oh my God, Silver, you're gonna do it, and I know you. Oh my God, Silver, no. Mm, yeah. Oh no. Uh. And see, this is why I get super stubborn and I don't do shit to my position. This is why. This is why. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh my God. No. This is why I get super stubborn. And this is why I lock myself out. This is why I lock myself out. Until tomorrow. I mean, shit, this is Silver. She's gonna do it. She's gonna hit that target, man. She's gonna hit it. Damn. I'm fighting for my life right now. Okay. She's gonna freaking do it, man. She's gonna. I know. I'm. Shit. Oh man. Oh no. Oh, no. 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 She's gonna do it, man. All right, man. I guess. Well, I guess I'm gonna take this as a learning experience right here. I usually don't pay attention to the trade after I get my target hit because with my initial strategy, it hit my target perfectly. And after it hits my target, I mean, I don't care about the position anymore. So I don't necessarily pay attention to what it does afterwards. But it looks like if I'm gonna trade the one contract, it looks like I'm gonna have to have the bigger stop that in order to catch the bigger move because I guess in order for it to move in my direction, because 144 ticks is a lot. That's a oh my God. Oh, oh my God, that's so painful. All right, I guess I have to take this as a learning experience. I guess tomorrow. Well, shit. All I have is 27 more ticks tomorrow. So if I take a trade, I mean, it has to be immaculate, man. So I guess what I'll do moving forward is probably trade like the one contract. I mean, let me see something real quick because maybe. Let me see something real quick. Okay, so I can trade. Oh, it'll let me trade one contract on this. So they must have taken that off, unless they're just letting me trade one contract. Maybe they changed it. Maybe they changed it. Okay. You said gold isn't still in the same spot? Yeah, it's consolidating in that same area. Yeah, I do think that, like I said, I think we go all the way down to maybe 50. Maybe 50. It takes out that low at 58. Hmm. Well, actually, no. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Because if it breaks, because the low that broke structure was so the major low on gold. So let's look at that real quick, and then I guess we'll be done for the night. We'll come back tomorrow. All right. So yeah, the major low on gold right now is the low is at 65.2. So 65.2 is the current major low. So the market has to break this low right here. 65. Make sure I got it right. Yeah, 65.2. All right. And is this low right there? Is that low right there? And so that's where, as long as price stays above that low right there, we have to respect the bears, and or I'm sorry, we have to respect the bulls until they break structure. And then that until they break structure. And then for the bears, for the bulls, price actually has to break past that high. We have to break out above 125. What is it? Yeah, like 125 or 121. Is that right? Yeah, 123.3. So that was those equal highs right there that gold just swiped. And I was like, man, beautiful trade is swipe the liquidity above that high, and then it traded right back into the range. But it's 123.3. 123.3. 123.3 is that high right there. So yeah, so this is the current trading range right here. Let's mark out the 50% real quick. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Huh. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Huh. Look at that. It bounced at, well, yeah, it bounced at the 50% too. It was bouncing at the 50% all day. The 50% of that range. Interesting. It bounced at that 50% of that range. And then it turned around and rejected from it. I have to keep my eyes on that. And this is why, like I said, I kind of hate going for the bigger targets on silver. I hate it. I just hate it. I hate it. Because this thing with a ping pong back and forth between my stop and my target. You said that you think we go back to 164. So you think that we trade higher? I mean, we do got CPI on Friday. We got job data coming out tomorrow, which honestly, we had non-farm payroll today. I doubt that anybody cares about continuous jobless claims. I mean, I think we already know. Yeah, we got continuous jobless claim tomorrow. Yeah, we got initial and continuing jobless claims tomorrow. We have existing home sales, and we have two Fed speakers speaking tomorrow. So, or actually, never mind. The Fed speakers are speaking on 12/8, or that's not right. That can't be right. That can't be right. And those Fed speakers wouldn't be speaking at no damn 12 o'clock in the morning. So I wonder what this thing thinks that my computer is connected to, because anyway, it doesn't matter. Anyway, so yeah, we got two Fed speakers at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. We have existing home sales in the morning. Well, that's not right. Oh my God, dude. That's not right. I got this thing set at Central Standard Time, and this thing is still telling me the wrong. Okay, there you go. I mean, that's crazy. Anyway. Good thing I know how to tell time, because, man, this thing was wrong like 10 million times. All right, so, yeah, so at 6 p.m. tomorrow, Central Time, we have two Fed speakers. We have existing home sales at 9 o'clock Central, and we have the continuous jobless claims at 7:30 Central. So, I think tomorrow is a light day. Will be considered a light day. Okay. All right, guys. I'm already preparing myself to to come back tomorrow and see that it actually hit my target. I may have to leave it like this. I may have to leave it that way. If I have to go for a bigger target, I might need a bigger stop, because if I'm trading this strategy as if I'm going for this shorter target, but now that I have to go for this bigger target, I'm going to need more room for price to come and swipe liquidity and then go in my direction, because I was only down 16 ticks before price hits my target. And in this situation, it hasn't hit my target yet. It's like literally in the middle between my stop and my target. But this ran about 35 ticks against me, stops me out, and then it goes right back in my direction. So I'm gonna have to consider that, or just accept. Yeah, I'm gonna have to consider that. Okay. But all right, guys, that's it for me tonight. I do appreciate everybody that joined. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.